can make a minion. The materials required for this is a glue bottle, a googly eye, some paint which is yellow, blue, black, white, a cup of water, pencil. If you make mistake, you can use eraser, a pebble, then some paint brushes. Now let's start with it. So here first you have to give a white coating on this. Here now let's give it a white coating. Here in the paint you have to mix little bit glue. Then it will come little this type. Okay, I finished painting the white paint on the pebble. Now let's draw the detail. Here you have to do it like this line. So this is the dress, this is the face. Now let's paint this. This will be blue and this will be yellow. Okay, now I'll paint it. For every pebble you have to do it white paint first, then we'll make the colors bright. See, like this, it's so bright. Okay, now we have finished the body. Next step is to stick the eyes. Now let's stick it. You can use 2 eyes also. I'm using 1 eye. Yeah, next we'll draw the lines. It should be thin actually. Yeah, next step is to draw the mouth. Yeah, the minion is done. You can see here and here. It's smiling so good. Okay, now we'll do one more is B. Here you have to give white coating. After I have given it, now let's draw the details of it. This is the head. Yeah, I've drawn it. Now let's give the colors of it. So the color of B is yellow and black. Here, from here you have to give. Okay, now we'll stick the eyes for it. here. So the position, it would be like this because it's standing like, it is like this. Then one more eye. And we'll give the mouth for it and the wings with white paint. Yeah, then the wings. Yeah. Next, one more wing. Yeah, we have given it. See the bee. It's like flying and going. Now let's do corn. Now we'll give the detail of it. So we are drawing the leaf of the corn now. Okay. Then one little layer. We are going to make that dark. Okay, now I'll give that corn pieces. You have to give box. So that's the corn of it. Okay, now let's give the leaf color here. Here for the dark lines, we're going to give it as dark green with thin brush. Yeah, we are done with it. I feel to eat corn by seeing this.